Why do onions make us cry? Have you ever thought about the science behind this everyday kitchen phenomenon? When we cut into an onion, it releases a chemical compound known as syn-propanethyl S-oxide. This volatile substance floats up from the freshly cut surface, infiltrating the air around us. When it reaches our eyes, it doesn't just disappear into thin air. Instead, it engages in a bit of chemical warfare that results in our eyes watering. You see, our eyes feature a set of glands known as the lacrimal glands. They're responsible for producing the tears that keep our eyes moist and protected. When syn-propanethyl S-oxide comes into contact with these glands, it triggers an overproduction of tears. This is our body's defense mechanism, an attempt to flush out the perceived irritant. This is the same reason why we tear up when we're exposed to smoke or dust. Our body is simply doing its best to protect our eyes from potential harm. In the case of the humble onion, it's not doing anything malicious. It's just defending itself too. When we cut into it, the onion releases syn-propanethyl S-oxide as a natural defense mechanism. So to summarize, the reason we cry when cutting onions comes down to a chemical reaction. The onion releases a compound called syn-propanethyl S-oxide, which our eyes perceive as an irritant. This triggers our lacrimal glands to produce tears in an attempt to flush out the irritant, hence the waterworks. So next time you're in the kitchen, tearing up over an onion, remember it's not you, it's just science at work. And perhaps you might even appreciate the humble onion a bit more for its complex defense mechanism, even if it does make our eyes water.